Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. A simple traffic stop over an expired sticker turned into a shootout that left 2 officers wounded and the suspect dead. This is the dramatic moment it all unfolded. On April 23, 2025, in Fairfax, Virginia, officers pulled over a Toyota Corolla for a routine violation. Within minutes, it escalated into gunfire, caught on police body cam. Here's what happened.
Fairfax Parkway, 1436.
At around 2:36 p.m., an officer initiated a stop on Majestic Lane after spotting an expired safety sticker. The driver, 36-year-old Jamal Wali, refused to cooperate and quickly became confrontational.
Oh, there's no I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the fucking car and leave.
No, sir.
No?
It doesn't work that way.
Okay, so go ahead, do whatever you want to do.
Can I get your name?
No?
No?
No? You're fucking killing.
With tensions rising, backup officers were called to the scene. Moments after they arrived, Wali pulled a weapon and fired one shot through the driver's side window.
Lead me this way!
Set 80.
Set 80.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
You fucking dumbass fucking people. You fucking asshole.
Majestic.
I can't even go back to my
at
fucking country because of you fucking
Green Bar
people.
Shopping
I started in fucking army. Every time you come and fucking pull me over, every time.
Do you have the registration to the vehicle?
Nothing.
You got nothing?
Nothing.
All right.
Yeah.
And you don't want to give me your name?
Sir, why? Look, hey, I died when I was serving you. Bullshit. The system is fucking broke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like you're going through a really rough time.
Man, I should have served with fucking Taliban better than you. I was concerned and a fucking dumbass fuck when I was concerned about Taliban, but in America, since 2014, I'm concerned more about you people. Because you lie, because you play games, that's how I'm going deeper.
Okay.
Yeah.
As the situation spiraled out of control, officers called for urgent backup.
To get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I watched you do it.
I don't give a damn fuck. Go ahead. You're not listening. What I'm telling you.
I am listening to you.
I have 4 children. Do not reach your gun.
But just as reinforcements arrived, Wali made a sudden move, drawing a weapon and firing a single shot through the driver's side window.
And this is, take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it. Go. Fuck.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
That single bullet caused significant damage, piercing one officer's bicep, then hitting another officer's forearm, and finally striking a parked vehicle across the street.
Bravo, everybody slow down. Units from Rapid 80, slow it down, 1441.
Hey, listen, American. This is, take it.
He attempted a second shot, but the gun jammed.
Don't you reach it. Go.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
A third officer, positioned on the passenger side, returned fire, striking Wali 4
Bravo,
times.
signal 1.
He was transported to a hospital, but later died from his
801.
injuries.
10 Bravo, everybody slow down. You want to get him out?
Hey, so listen, American. This is, take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to
No.
Hey, don't you reach it.
Go.
Fortunately, the 2 injured officers were treated and released the same day. This incident shows how quickly a routine stop can turn deadly, and the dangers law enforcement face daily.